This is the Daily Market Comment by Harlan Ambos. I'm Maria Pachurdiz. Thanks for joining us at XM.com. At a panel discussion between the heads of the ECB, Fed, BOE, and BOJ, ECB President Lagarde cemented expectations for a July hike, but what caught investors' attention were hawkish comments by Fed Chair Powell. This time, the Fed chief sounded hawkish enough to wake up the dollar bulls. Powell said that he is not ruling out the possibility of a July hike, and noted that more rate increases are likely this year before the Fed takes the sidelines, while remarks that he does not see inflation falling to their objective this year or the next suggested that rate cuts are not part of discussions for now. His comments finally convinced some participants that the Fed is likely to do more, but according to Fed funds futures, investors are not penciling in 2 more hikes yet. They lifted their implied rate path, but only to price in 30 basis points worth of additional hikes, while maintaining bets about a series of rate cuts for next year. This means that there is room for further repricing should U.S. data support the notion of more than one additional Fed increase, which could translate into more dollar strength. Today, Euro-dollar traders are likely to turn their attention to Germany's preliminary CPI data ahead of the numbers for the Eurozone as a whole, scheduled for tomorrow. The only central bank head who appeared at the panel wearing a dovish suit was Bank of Japan Governor Ueda. He said that the BOJ would see good reason to start removing accommodation if they become reasonably sure that inflation would accelerate into 2024. There is some distance to go in sustainably achieving the inflation target alongside sufficient wage growth, he added. His comments did not clearly point to any imminent policy shift by the BOJ, which might be why the yen remained on the back foot against its U.S. counterpart. Powell's hawkish remarks affected Wall Street as well. Although the Nasdaq gained some more ground, both the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished Wednesday's session slightly in the red, as market participants somewhat raised their implied Fed rate path. Having said that, though, the fact that the tech-heavy Nasdaq gained suggests that some investors continue to increase their exposure in tech stocks. This is today's Daily Market Comment. Thanks for joining us at XM.com.